External respiration. External respiration is the process by which gases are exchanged between the blood and the air. It is a physical process. It is simply the intake of oxygen and giving out of carbon dioxide. It involves two phases, inspiration and expiration. Inspiration is a process by which fresh air enters in the lungs. In this, diaphragm becomes flat and gets lowered by the contraction of its muscle fibers and increases the volume of the thoracic cavity. The external intercostal muscles contract and pull the ribs and sternum upwards and outwards direction, and thus the volume of thoracic cavity is increased. Expiration is a process by which CO2 is expelled out from the lungs. Muscles fibers of the diaphragm relax, make it convex, decreasing the volume of the thoracic cavity. External intercostal muscles relax and pull the ribs downwards and inwards direction, thus decreasing the size of the thoracic cavity.